First thing we're going to do is unplug it. All right, I'm just going to get that out of there. That's the first step. And then what we've got to do is unhook these right here. Make sure we turn them off first. So usually it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, I would imagine. So we're going to go to this way. I do believe that is what we need to do there. So first step is to get that undone. So I'm going to grab some pliers and do that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to catch as much of the water. Can you see it good?
Oh yeah.
All right, so let's do this. So we get a little closer.
Oh, there you go. Look at that.
All right, so you got to make sure it's in frame. So center frame, yeah. All right, here we go. So now I can probably turn it with my hand. And we're going to have water come out of here. Hopefully not a lot. But we got a bucket down there, so we'll see what happens.
You got it?
Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. And yeah, we did turn it off, thank God. Right, this one. Forget which way it went. I went this way. So on this, look, this is kind of like, this would be righty-tighty to me, but usually I would go the opposite direction, but I guess this is the way we got to go with it, right? I can feel it dripping on my foot. There we go. We're not doing the best job of catching it, but we're going to clean this mess up afterwards, I think.
Yeah, there's a bunch of nastiness.
Okay, there we go.
Need some.
All right. Just set that there.
And there. If you'd like to, yeah. You want to go with brand new ones? Sure. Yeah.
So this I got to turn this way. This is going counterclockwise. There we go. And this, whoops, don't want to break that. There we go.
Well, that was scary, Tom.
Yeah, that was. That would not be good if it broke.
No.
Can you see it good?
Oh, yeah.
All right, now it should just come off.
Give it that kung fu grip. There it is.
So that's off of there. And you can look at that. Very corroded, right?
We'll spray
So we may get a little, let's kind of clean these off.
spray it with some WD-40.
What? I don't know about that, but let's clean it. Do we have a little, some kind of brush or something? Just want to clean it. Here we go. We're going to push this out. I'm going to probably try to get over here. Yeah, there we go. Let me get this so we don't smush it. Let's see if we can get that. Oh, good. Do we have enough room? All right, we're good there. We're good. We're good. This man is amazingly strong. This is what happens when you do a lot of weightlifting. You get strong. Here they are. New washer is here. There it is. It looks pretty good. I don't see any dents or dings or anything on it. Looks good. We got all the parts right. We got our drain thing in there. There's some instructions. I'll read those. So here's our little thing for our drain deal. Yeah. All right. So let me get back here. So we've got to open this so we can get it around the edge of this. So I'm going to let you kind of point this at me. So this has got to go around this, like this. So I'm just going to get it through there first. And we've got to kind of squeeze it to get it on there. So there we go. We're right now. We're on there. See, can you see it? So I got to come all the way up with the pliers to get a good squeeze on it. And then I'm going to push it down on here. So we got to go down here, right here, right? And what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to can you see it good? My hands? I'm going to turn it this way, right? This way I can put it on here, just like that. And then I can squeeze this so that I can push this farther on. So it's all the way on. And then when I let go of that, it locks it down on there. And that should give us ample amount of juice for this to work. So now, when we pull this back, I'll be able to stick it in there. Right now, if you can get it in there, that's it, right like that. Okay, now we've got everything set up. The question is, would you like to do the honors?
We'll figure it out.
Okay, so, all right, now what we have to do is start it up and see if it works.
We should probably run it once, right?
Yeah. Well, you know that that's training. is good. That sounds good. We like that. So the wash cycle is now draining. Let's see if there's any leakage. I don't see any leaks. So we probably got that right. Let her drain out. All right, so I looked inside of here, and we can use these. We did get rubber washers, so I think we're going to go ahead and use these because I think they're going to work better.
Yeah.
We'll hook this to the actual machine, and these will go to the outlet. And so there's our 4 washers. We're going to need those. All right, so anyway, we've got to put our washers in here. So go ahead and stick one in one of them there. Smush it down. Put one on that side. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to go ahead and put these on there. Hold one of those. Yeah, like that. We'll just get that on there. And so it doesn't really matter which side we put it on, as long as we get them on there. And they're going on pretty good. So I think they'll be fine. I'm going to just hand tighten them. That's it. I'm just going to hand tighten them so I don't get too crazy. Let's see how this one does. And we're going to know when we turn the water on if it's going to...
Yeah, the leak will tell you how much they tighten.
If water squirts out of there, we know we got a problem. We got to get them tighter.
All right, so let's turn the water. Oh, wait. Not yet.
You might want to put these on.
To do that.
So now what we got to do is we got to take these and we've got to get them onto here. But before we do that, we got to put our washers in. So we've got washers. Let's do one at a time. Go ahead and shove it in there. Make sure we get it in good. Okay, let me grab that one. I got it. You can let go of this one. So hang on to that one. So this is going to go here. I'm imagining because I'm going with the side. So I'm going to go here with this one, right? Because we want to make sure we get the hot and the cold in the right spot. So that's on there, and then we got to put that one on there. And you got the washer in there, right?
Yep.
Let me show them so they can see. So you know you got your washer. It's in there good, nice and flat. And then we're just going to go ahead and spin it. Try not to cross thread it. Here we go. Here we go. Let me see it. Just got to get it so it doesn't cross thread. It doesn't want to go. It doesn't want to turn. All right. So we're gonna have to push the washer back a little bit because this one for some reason is not giving me just a little bit. That's good. That should work. And now I should get her on there. And this is supposed to freely turn. For some reason it doesn't want to. Here, hold this and I'll do it with both hands. So if I can get it, because I've got to get it stationary there. Now we're turning. I just needed 2 hands, that's all. All right, so now what I've done is I've tightened it as tight as I can with my hands. So we can turn the water on and see if we have any leaks. How's that sound? But before we do that, because the water does go down in there, we're going to hold this up in the air for now.
I don't know if it's warm.
Let's turn this one on. Okay. So we don't see any leaks, right? Right now, if you can get it in there, that's it, right like that. Okay, now we've got everything set up. Would you like to do the honors?
We'll figure it out.
Okay. So, all right, now what we have to do is start it up and see if it
We should
works.
probably run it once, right?
Yeah. All right, so we know what's what. I'm just going to put an H here. That's for hot. Then I'm going to put a cold over here. Put a C here. That's for cold. And this is for hot. I had to go get a new Sharpie to do this. All right. Bam, done. That's how you do it. Just like that. So to see your cycle status, you can look here. When it's filling, this is lit up. When it's soaking, this is lit up. When it's washing, this is lit up. When it's rinsing, this will be lit up. And when we're in the spin cycle, that will be lit up. There it goes. Bam, we're on the rinse cycle. All right, let's see how that works.
All right, see that? Now what that is the water goes in there and then it rinses the clothes.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
See?
Oh, let's open it up. Oh,
And
look,
then
your clothes are
the
clean.
clothes are clean.
All right.